somewhere in mother freaking Memphis.
Good morning, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. It's day 3 of our little bathroom makeover today. So right now Mike has taken out the toilet and he's trying to take off the base of, or the pedestal part of the sink right now so that we can start installing the flooring. So I'm gonna take you in there and we're gonna kind of eavesdrop on what he's doing, and I hope y'all are doing okay. I am doing well. I tried to get me enough rest, and I'm trying not to show the bottom part of my little shirt here because
you know your girl is hanging loose today. Yes, ma'am.
So I went ahead and finalized on everything from last night. I think I do have to touch that ceiling up a little bit though, and the electrician never called us back, so I think we're going to DIY our vent. So I'll have to let y'all see what we're going to do with that, or show you the final if Mike gets out to pick up the item that we need to do that with. But other than that, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and roll in here and again eavesdrop on Mike and, you know, catch him in action. He hates it when someone's standing over him while he's working, and I'm the same way. I like to go ahead and do what I'm doing and not, you know, have somebody breathing down my neck and telling me what to do like they know everything and I'm supposed to be the one that's doing it, and they could be doing it. If they know it all, they could have done it. Okay, so we're gonna see what he's up to. Let's go. Hey, Mike.
Hey.
We just coming to check you out.
Check it out. I'm trying to do it.
Man, I told him about this whole house. This stuff be down and it be down.
Yeah. I put this down myself. Oh, first one here. But I'll let you put it down for now because it'll be easy to get up.
Nope.
Yep.
Well.
Yeah, Jesse Jackson said, how long? How long? We about to get it.
Okay. He's already broke one blade because it's some tough stuff under there. That thing ain't going nowhere.
Well,
Winds can blow, it ain't moving.
The blade that I was using, you took it. They gave me a cheap blade.
I don't know if it's cheaper, but maybe it's just not sturdy. Maybe it's for baby stuff.
Yeah, it's alright. It'll work. Move out of the way so they get a better shot.
They don't want to do this work. They don't want to do this work.
I'm an old country guy. Oh man. I'm used to be born in the woods.
Oh no, they don't want to do that now. Might have to end up doing it if we don't get this toilet down. This toilet down in time. But
always get a house with more than one toilet.
Child, well, we get that, but we got the water off right now.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure.
So of course we're outside now. That's Cookie. There's Cupcake. So I'm just gonna wait on Mr. Dobbins to get finished. You know, that's all I can do. No puppies, stop, stop, stop. Of course, and get devoured by these animals, of course, you know. But I will be heading back in there. I don't know, whenever he says he's ready for me to start with the floor. So anyway, that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all when I see you on that. And again, it's such a tight spot. I really don't have anywhere to sit the camera except probably angle it on the floor, and I don't plan on being on my knees like that, okay? So I don't know, we shall see, but I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be gorgeous. It's so bright in here, you ain't gonna hardly need no damn luring light. All right, y'all, this is what the floor is gonna be looking like. Isn't that cute? That's cute, ain't it? Ooh, child. I just can't get down there to do it yet, but I'm about to. Yes, indeed. The porcelain throne, babies. Look at there. Look at that seat. That's made all together, girl. When you back that thing up on there, guess what? It ain't going nowhere. It looks low. It is. Yeah, it's low. You ain't got no adjustment to get used to. But it need to be. It shouldn't be too. Lower your nose or it don't need to be too tall in there. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Look at that baby.
That piece okay, babe?
Yeah, shit, good enough for me.
Look good on camera.
Shit, I cut that motherfucker while I was out there. You made it one, I cut two. Shit, I'm good at what I do.
Ooh, that nail look ugly.
Alright, move out the way now.
I'm doing my job. You put me on filming duty. I'm on filming duty.
This is what you call, let me see, it'll cost you about $2,500 to do the work we done did these last couple of days.
More.
Or more. But you know, we had to buy the supplies. That's if we have the supplies. These people don't come with supplies. I remember contractors come and they used to, you can pick out stuff from a book. Oh, you pick up the stuff. Let's see, for you, Mike, $2,500. You say, what you say?
Who's trying with that for you?
You see my white plant? Somewhere.
I'm looking. I don't see him here. Did you have me here?
Oh, look at you. Wire pliers. That in the chair. Hold on. Give me a second.
Beautiful babes, we are coming through with the come through, baby. Look. The toilet has been tested and is Sweet Angel approved. Now I just gotta finish putting this floor down. Yes, we just gotta tighten it up a little bit more, honey. Guess what? What a beautiful throne. Queen! Anywho. Yes, sir. Looking good over there in the corner. We're working it out, cutting it through. I wish I could film more of it, you know, putting down. But, honey, it'd be too much butt all in the screen. It'd be too much going on up in here for that, okay? That's my little paper, just kind of dusting a few things off as I go along. But, anywho, let me get back to it. And I promise y'all, woo! I don't know if I'm coming back anymore until after this thing is close to being finished. Because it's been a long damn day. Yes, it's been a long day. Yes. So I'm tired and this is it for today, and I will be back probably. I got some more stuff coming in. Actually, I'm putting up the shelving to go over there above the toilet, and I got some other little trinkets, but the electrical stuff, I don't think Mike's going to get to it today because we have one of the outlets getting changed out. The switch, we're going to do like the rocker switch over here, right there. And the mirror is not going to be here till probably Thursday, I think. So it's gonna be a minute. I don't think I'm coming back with this. I need to get back to work on Beauty by Sweet Angel, baby, because listen, I'm gonna need me some spa time. I'm gonna need me some me time. My back is tired, my feet are tired, I'm tired. So I'm out of here. Y'all take care until next time, and we'll see ya when we see ya for sure. All right, y'all. Bye.